How to change IP address on Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your IP address in Windows. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your settings. After you're on your settings, head over to Network and Internet on the bottom, on the left sidebar. Tap on it and head over to Wi-Fi. Tap on the Wi-Fi option. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi as well. Then head over to its properties. Tap on the properties option, and there, if you scroll down a bit, there you'll find an option that says IP assignment. As you can see, it is automatically assigned by DHCP. So if you want to change it, tap on the edit option on its right side. Tap on edit, and there you'll see it's on automatic. Tap on it to change it to manual, and just turn on the IP4 option. Then what you can do here is select an IP address. Make sure that the IP address is of your internet. So yeah, just make sure that you use your internet's gateway there as well. So then you'll need to choose a subnet mask, which is normally 255.255.255.0, and the gateway. Make sure that you choose the correct gateway of your internet, that is of your router. I'll just change the upper one to 2, and then you can choose a preferred DNS as well. I'll just type in 1111. After doing that, you can go through the other settings as well if you want to, then tap on the save option. After you tap on save, you'll have changed your IP address to whatever you'd like. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.